Hey guys, welcome to this new video on my channel, and today I'm going to be showcasing the Crazy Advancement API and showing how you can create your own custom advancements with it. So first off, we have to download it. Just go to the site in the description and then click here on the download button. It should take you to a page, so just wait a few seconds here and then you'll get like selection box. There you can go to your server, the plugins, and then save it as the Crazy Advancements API.jar. So this should be all done. So let's switch to the coding part. So I already opened Eclipse beforehand, so everything is already set up. I imported the Crazy Advancement API in the coding server that you saved it in, and the widget.jar. You should already know how to do this, so let's dive right into it. So first off, we are going to create some advancements, and I thought for this video I'll maybe do a nice way to add many advancements, and so we're going to create ourselves an enum first. You should already know what enums are. If not, you should check a video about it, because I'm going to concentrate on the advancement part now. So you're just going to call it my advancements or something like that. You can call it, like if you have a plugin called cool, you call it cool advancements or something, or like without the s at the end. It's nicer that way. So we'll have our enum, and our enum will take a few parameters. So we'll just create a constructor real quick. So we'll take a string title intro and a string description. That should be all fine, and we can also, like, we should definitely, maybe beforehand, material icon. That is the icon that's going to show in the advancement menu. Just import material real quick, and now the next part. So we'll go ahead and we'll do a full thing. So if it will show the toast, and let's say if there should be a message in the chat. So these are the most important things, but I'll also add the advancement display, and advancement visibility. So we can set when the advancement is visible and when it isn't. So we'll save all of these ones over here in private final variables. Let me do that real quick, and I forgot to add the final part here, and boolean final boolean show toast and display message. And last but not least, the advancement visibility. Right. So let's initialize all of these first. Shouldn't be too much, just write every single one of them. You won't forget any because they are final, so it will show an error if you forget the one that is final. And last but not least, the visibility. As easy as that. So we'll set up some getters for them. Is toast shown, or is show toast, and is display message, and get visibility. So now we have something we can create advancements of, and now we'll just put them in this enum. So we'll do something like the root advancement. And we should also, what I've got here, and my advancement parent. So we can set like yeah, so that we can order them in the advancement tab like they should be. Just add that one in here. Not that nice looking, but okay. So now we're going to create a root advancement. It doesn't have a parent, so we'll just pass on null here. Then the material will be, I don't know, it's hard. Eclipse just in the latest versions they don't allow auto-completion anymore in enums, so you'll have to get them like here, material dot here, it works, and then you can search it out. Like, could use an armor stand, it doesn't really matter. Okay, oh, we will use a grass block, and it isn't finished yet, so we'll also add the title, which we'll inform it as a JSON string. So we, oh, oops, hope you didn't see anything there. So we'll do text. You could also set a normal title here, not a big deal, but then the text chat color, it shouldn't mess with the colors, but here we can easily set the colors. This is the root advancement, my root advancement. Minecraft is cool. I don't really mind what, yeah, it doesn't really matter what we write in there. And the second one will be the description, which yeah, will be my root advancement. I won't go into detail here and do something really complicated, but yeah, it will I will say this is a root advancement, so probably not show a toast, I'd say. And then advancement visibility dot, and then we'll set it to always, so we can always see the root advancement. I think that makes a lot of sense. Even if we don't have it, we'll see it, so that's something good. And yeah, so that's our first advancement, but we'll just make one or two more. So like chat will be the next one. It has a parent root because it will be under the root, and then we'll set the material dot skull, maybe. Is a skull for the chat? I don't know. Maybe book makes much more sense, I guess. And yeah, I'll just copy the rest from above here, so I'll just like do that. And the visibility, so this is shader, and we'll set its color this time, just like you'd format some text in vanilla Minecraft in JSON format. It's really tedious if you have these backspaces, but yeah, there's not a solution to it currently. Because the JSON reader isn't lenient, so we can't use these ones, unfortunately. But yeah, I will set its color to red, because yeah, why not? And yeah, okay, wait a minute, and write something in chat. And these we will set this color, and no, we set this to bold. Oh gosh. True. So we'll set this. Oh, I don't. I can't remember if we need those, but I think we can keep them in. And yeah, we'll always set also set it to always, because it will be always shown, even if we don't have that one, because that one is also always shown. Great, right? But yeah, I almost forgot something. So we'll get parent. We'll add the getter here, and yeah. If it has a parent, we'll also add, after the description, maybe the int float x and float y. And then we'll copy this constructor real quick, and there will be no parent, but instead there will be a string background texture. So yeah, because we have to set the background texture for the root advancement and set the coordinates for the non-root advancements. So just give me time real quick. So private final string background texture. Oh well, we can add that after here. So now we just have to initialize all of them, like after the description, this point x equals x and y equals y. Yeah, here we don't have to write that anymore. We'll just like set it to null. But instead we'll need a background texture here, which we'll just set to Minecraft textures /blocks /concrete green, or lime. Oh, oops. Concrete lime.png. So you have to link to the actual texture file. You can also add your custom texture to your texture pack and then just put it as a background texture. That will definitely work as long as they have the texture pack. And yeah, we'll set these to true because they should be announced in chat and you should get a pop-up. Yeah, here we have to add the x and y coordinates, which will just be 1 and 0 because we'll go 1 to the right and 0 down. Yeah. Now I still have here there are some missing, so we have to this point background texture equals background texture, and this dot x equals x and equals 0, and this point y equals 0. And here we have to say that the background texture equals null. Just as easy as that. And yeah, now just add some getters for the background texture, the x and the y. There shouldn't be any getter. Oh, the visibility hasn't a getter yet. Oh, it has. Okay, it's just down there. Great. I just yeah. And yeah, let's do one more. So we'll see the whole thing in action. So this time the chat will be the parent advancement for this, but this isn't called chat, of course. It's called, what should I call it? Let's do benchmarking. So if you open a crafting bench, just chat. Here we'll use real Minecrafter, and just the color green, or yeah, green, fine. Unfortunately there's no brown chat color. Craft workbench, or the craft 2 workbenches. You'll see in a moment. We'll make this one italic, so there's a little bit of yeah. So we'll put this like -1 and 2. Oh, oops, I wasn't intended to do that. So yeah, show chat, and this one will set to parent granted. So we will only see this one if the parent is granted, when the parent is this one right here. Should be fine. Yeah, I think that's fine. And we can remove this one. Oh, so this import. So now we're just gonna initialize all the advancements, and we'll just go through the just for my advancement colon my advancement dot values. So we'll just loop through every single one of them, and we can add more later on. So now we're just gonna go ahead and do it. So we'll create a new advancement. Oh, we probably should save like the advancement. So we'll do it inside of here. We'll create a public static void register advancements, and then we'll just do private advancement eu.endercentral. Here, this one, and then advancement, so we can save it. Like yeah, then we'll just get advancement, and okay, no set advancement. So yeah, we'll just do like advancement. Oh, okay, we'll just loop through everything like we wanted to do before. Just real quick, shouldn't be a problem. I hope you can see it. It's right down here. Let's make it a little bit more to the middle so you can see it a little bit better. So great. So we'll just create an advancement. Well, let's call this ADV just to have it shorter. And then this one will be advancement is equals new advancement. And yeah, we'll have a parent which adv dot, so we'll just have to look if the adv dot get parent is not null, then we'll do adv dot get parent dot get advancement, and if not, we'll just hand over null. Yeah, if we wouldn't do that check, it would give us a null pointer exception if this is parent is null, because we just have it here, and so we just do that. It's not that nice. We could also like do that and change it to that, and then it's not equals, but it doesn't really matter too much. So the name will be we'll just create a new name key. The namespace will be our plugin name, my advancement, or like my advancement. Don't use that plugin name, please. It's pretty bad. And the key will just do advancement.name.tool lowercase. So it will just use the name set above here. So this one will be root in lowercase, that one in chat lowercase, and that one will be benchmarking in lowercase. And a display we'll have to create it now. I almost forgot about that. So we first have to create an advancement visibility equals new advancement visibility. No, wait, display. I always mess with them the wrong way around. So new advancement display. Hello. New advancement display. Yeah, right. So we have the material, which is the adv.get icon. Then the title equals a new JSON message. Be sure to use the eu.endercentral.crazyadvancements JSON message, which will just take title, and this one will just do the new JSON message adv.get description. Then we also need to define advancement frame. We could define it over here, but like add it to the constructor. But I'll just go with advancement frame.task. So everything will be a task, not a goal, not a challenge. So the challenge would give you like a sound effect when you get it. Yeah, you could also set that here above in the constructor and add it like them, and just get it with the adv.get frame. Yeah, but I'll just leave that out for now. So we'll show is show toast and adv.is display message, and don't forget to adv.get visibility. Great, right? All of that in place. There's still an error. Display. Oh, it's visibility. Okay, that's unfortunate. So we'll just check if adv.getParent equals null. Then we'll just say, yeah, let's do display.get display.set background texture, because if there's no parent, it's a root advancement and it takes the background texture, and then it also has a background texture. Same the other way around. If it's not a root advancement, we need to set the coordinates, which would just be adv.getx and adv.getY. As easy as that. And yeah, now we just have to do something with the advancement, but I will add it to a list. Oh, we don't really have to add it to a list, do we? I will need to set it to adv.advancement equals new. So we'll override the one in this my advancement, so we can save it. And after we generated all of them, we go through all of them again. Oh wait, no, wait. We'll do like we have to get the advancement manager. We'll work with the main advancement manager, so we'll just like do private static advancement manager. We'll define it over here. I don't know. Hello? Now it's working. The markup wasn't working, so we'll just do like first edit here, manager equals crazy advancements dot get main advancement manager. That's just what we're working with right here. There are also some complex things you can do with new advancement managers for specific layers, but we won't go in detail here. It's already we're already 20 minutes into the video, so I want to get it done as soon as I can. And then we'll just manager.add advancement, and then we'll just go with, oh wait, no, we have to create a list. Unfortunately. Okay, we'll create a list here, an array list of advancements, loaded advancement loaded equals new array list. It's easy as that. Well, we'll make a little spaces here and there, and then advancements loaded dot add adv dot get advancement, which we just saved one line here above, so it will be there. It won't be null, except there will be an error here, but then we will get to this line anyway. So yeah, we'll just do we'll just do like manager dot add advancement, and then like this isn't real. Always when I'm recording I forgot to close leak. Advancements added, but yeah, as you can see, loaded. As you can see, this won't work because we have to array. Does this work? No, we have to like new advancement and then advancements loaded dot size. That should be it. Right, okay, so we'll do it to array because we have to add an array here, and then we'll add all at once, advancements at once. As great as that is, we still don't load any advancements, so they will be saved. So we'll do that right here before we forget it, and then we'll just like we have the namespace always the same, so we can just like do it here, manager dot load progress, and then we'll just add the player here. Okay, we have to go through all players. For player bucket dot get online players, and we'll load their progress. And what's wrong here? Oh yeah, we have to import player, and yeah. So we'll just advancements added. So So and then we'll create afterwards here. We'll create an advancement edit an array directly, so we can access it in here. So we can access it in here and in here. And there's some error. I think I messed that up. Yeah, I think I wrote it. I misspelled it or something. So now we're loading the progress of any advancements if we granted, but we also have to save the progress. I'll do that later on. So now we're almost finished with just like my advancement dot register advancements. As easy as that. And yeah, we'll also implement a listener up here. Did I complete the plugin revival? No, I didn't. Just let me complete it real quick. Advancement showcase offer me and version 0.1. So as great as that is, we just have to import listener and then bucket.get plugin manager.register events this. Great. So we'll just like have a chat listener on chat player chat event. As easy as that. Okay, we will use a async player chat event, of course. Keep forgetting it. Always the same. Yeah. So then, as easy as it may sound, just like get a player. Let's call him P. It's easier accessible to variable. I keep messing up. I hate this. Okay, let's focus. Don't forget the real thing. So we just like if event dot get so we'll have an advancement ADV, we'll call it my advancement dot chat dot get advancement. Just import it real quick. So now we can just like if adv dot get okay, we'll just like we have to create a well, let's create a advancement manager. Let's add it into here as well. This manager, I hate it, equals crazy advancements dot get main advancement manager. So we'll do like if manager dot get progress get criteria progress player and the ADV, and this will return us a number, and we'll just have to check it if it's bigger than the advancement.get criteria. So we forgot about something here, so yeah, I'm a little bit forgetting, so we have to, let's do it right after the icon, private final int required, like the required criteria. Right before here it is, int criteria required, and then like just right here, this dot required equals required, and the same applies to this one, int required, and then just like this dot required equals required. Great. Then most of the time it just will be 1, but we said we wanted to, we just didn't change that one. Let's change it to crafting table or workbench, I think it is. So we have to craft 2 workbenches, and then like just right here, get required, And yeah, we have to edit also down here. Display, no, we have to do it here, right? ADV.advancement.set criteria, and that will be the ADV.get required. As easy as that. And yeah, that's it. Quite. So we'll just check if it's smaller than the needed criteria, and then we'll just do ADV. Set criteria manager dot set criteria progress p the advancement and the progress +1. So we'll just this one will be the progress, int progress equals that. So now what we essentially have is something we should put in another method. Public void enhance, or I don't know, advance, and then we'll just do advancement ADV player p, and I think that should be all. So we can just like move that down here, and then we'll just call the advance function. As easy as that. And so this, we can call this whenever we want. Okay, now we could just do that. Quicker. Quickest way ever. So as easy as that, and then we'll just get it. And the same applies to the craft. On craft item event, and I will check if event.get recipe.get result .get type equals material.craft .workbench. So only if you craft this workbench, we're gonna advance him, and it will be the event.get to clicked, and the my advancement benchmarking.get advancement. Easy as that. We'll just have to cast argument 1 to player. Couldn't be easier, right? So we'll just yeah, should be done. Oh yeah, it isn't this don't manage because it's static. That's not very good. Okay, so now we can export it. Yeah, that should be the right destination. I'll just start up Minecraft real quick. So I'm in Minecraft right now. As you can see, the server started up, and we'll just can open it. This is just the normal Minecraft tab. We can revoke everything, advance and revoke everything. So we'll just have ours, and yeah, we can see Minecraft is really cool. And then write something in chat, and yeah, we can see that this one is hidden. There shouldn't be a line to it. Maybe I did something wrong, but I'm not sure. I don't know. You see the background texture, and Minecraft is cool. So we'll just basically write something in the chat, and we'll get chat advancement. Real easy. And now we should be able to see it. Oh, we don't see it. Damn it. And there was an exception, like right around here. That's why they couldn't load, maybe. Let's see. Let's check it. We'll just use advancement visibility dot always, just for a quick test. They should be, so I don't get why they aren't. So no arrows at least. Now we can see all of them. That's wrong. I know maybe they are set to always. So this one is in italic, as you can see. So we'll write one thing in the chat. And yeah, I forget to save them. Yeah, just get a bit of wood real quick. There we go. I still have some wood left. So we can craft one. We won't get advancement because yeah, we have now 1 of 2. We've created another one. We are real benchmarker, I guess, real Minecrafter. It's always also green up here, and yeah, I don't know why this isn't working like I wanted it to, but okay. So the ones with the advancement displays they aren't like initialized, I think, right? When right here, that's definitely weird. They should be. So maybe it's just a little bug. I'll look into it. Yeah. Right, and yeah, we forgot to save the progress. So we'll just like do manager.save progress, the player, and the adv.get namespace. And yeah, player p. Oh no, not that much, please. Only that little bit. So now the advancements will even be saved. Very great. Yeah, they sometimes bug a little bit out. Yeah. So yeah, now we'll just write T and we'll get it. And as soon as we reload, we still have it. Yeah. So it now saves them, which is really great. They say just so you know, you can go right in here and appliance folder, and it will be saved on a saved data. And yeah, it's on the my advancements, and then we have to save file right here. Can put it over here. There are many of my things. So yeah, it will just be like a JSON string which saves your criteria. As easy as that. Yeah, should be easy enough. So just to finish it off, I'll fix this one so we won't like have to. So it seems that the visibility isn't loaded yet. So we'll just let us enter a string real quick. Yeah, it sucks, but we can just oops. We just set it to always, and this one to always, and this one to parent granted. Should be easy enough. We just have to change this to string, and finally this one too. And yeah, then we can advancement visibility dot parse visibility, and then we can just put the adv dot get visibility, and then we'll just do like this one, and maybe this one too. We'll just like to get a scheduler and run task later. So the whole thing will just be loaded one tick later, so then it should work. Okay, well, we'll load advancement. The register the listener right here. Reload, and then just look right here. It works. Now how do we revoke advancement real quick? Just delete. Just straight up delete it. And yeah, we'll probably now we can't see it. Yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Yeah, I know the language of Minecraft is now German, but I hate it. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye bye.